Hey guys, how are we doing?
Good.
Good. So I think we're trying to take today to maybe have a little bit of a look back into a successful client project where I found myself meeting you guys for the first time and working with you as a customer in that situation before we had yard management. You know, every day was a battle. There was a lot of pressures that were, impending at any point, and the customer expectation of our customers was that we got it right every single time, that we managed our yards properly, that things didn't go missing and things weren't unaccounted for. And we found C3 and they had a very interesting product offering, and it was only when we kind of engaged in the project and we sat with you guys we realized not only was it an amazing product, but the team that came with it, aka you guys, have just not just an amazing understanding of yard management software, but also yards and operations in general, and not just in our industry, but many others, and could give us really good insight and best practice. And now I find myself working at C3 and having sat across the table from you guys and worked in the project phase, understand what a go live is like. Then I think I truly understand the value of listening to customers, working with customers, experiencing the customer's life in their shoes when you do site visits and stuff. So I guess I'd like to maybe ask you guys to think back to that time and understand a little bit about not only what that did for the relationship for C3 and the customer, but also what it's kind of meant to your journey and meant to your current roles. So Mathilde, you were kind of front and center in that project. We worked together. It was a very successful time, and there were ups and downs in the project, but it was seriously good. And looking back at the time when we did the project together, the stuff that you learned from that project, how do you think that's related to your current role and the idea of operational excellence?
Yeah, absolutely. So I joined the C3 team in 2016, right at the time that we were launching our new yard management software that we know of today, C3 Yard. It had been about 1 year when we conducted that particular project. So we were we were already starting to adapt our ways of working to this new technology. This project to me and to C3 was very educational in the sense that right from the start, I saw firsthand how much our customers relied on the expertise we were bringing to the table and how much they really needed our advice and guidance throughout the entire project. Not just as yard management experts, but really as software implementation specialists. Because I think it's one thing to understand how your operations work and know your process very well, but it's another thing to know how to implement a new software, a new technology, especially when you don't know what impact it will have to your operations, or if you don't know what change it will bring to the day-to-day of your operators. So very quickly, I started working internally at C3 with our senior business analysts in order to make the most of their knowledge of the industry and really gather their lessons learned from past projects. I wanted to understand all of the best practices that we could learn from their experience and bring it in a more structured way. So we worked on shaping a project approach or methodology that would really gather all of those best practices. It went from establishing guidelines around the way we were delivering admin users training to really identify how we could best support our customer and the project team in delivering an efficient change management strategy and end users training in turn. So today, because we're growing our team, we wanted to ensure that all of our new members really applied that same approach, but also that we were always optimizing it to stay up to date with how the industry was evolving. This is why we actually created a position of operational excellence manager that I'm now happy to occupy today. And on a day-to-day basis, my job is to work with various teams inside the organization and identify how we can improve, while also making sure that we consolidate our ways of working. And I think it really goes back to those initial projects where we identified the need to have a more structured approach to make sure that all of our projects was as successful as the one with this particular UK leading parcel post company.
And I think it's quite a sort of revolutionary idea to have something so proactive in a business, in software, to someone like yourself centrally that touches all projects and understands the learnings, both the good and the bad, and to engineer some stuff into the future stuff to ensure that we always make the best use of our time, we keep the customer at the heart of everything we do. And again, Mathilde, you were there through that whole journey, and you're kind of doing that now today. So again, it was it was an obvious choice, I think, but maybe less obvious for the industry because it's a big decision to make.